Hi, welcome back everybody. My name is Joel Miramontes, your appliance expert, and today I wanted to talk to you about an amazing offer that Appliance Factory Mattress Kingdom is proud to offer you. This is the Hotpoint washer and dryer set. This is the HTW265ASWWW. This particular washing machine right here is really interesting because it offers a lot of great innovations. Starting at the very top here, we do have your cycle indicator, so you are easily able to tell where along the cycle you are throughout the entire wash process. Moving along towards the bottom here, you do have your selectable water level. Automatic leaves it so that the machine can choose the right water level for you, or all the way to the max, and the machine will fill all the way up with a maximum of 26 gallons of water. You do have a large range of cycle options available for you, as well as a temperature selector with a standout feature called Cold Plus. And Cold Plus is really interesting because it changes the agitation on all of the cycles to give you a better wash result in cold water while still using 90% less energy. Moving in towards the inside, we do have a 4 cubic foot all stainless steel wash drum in here, which gives you the ability to wash up to 15 pounds of laundry, and you do have the center mounted agitator to really help move all the clothes around and saturate it with detergent and water. Its companion right over here is the HTX26EASWWW, and this is a very tried and true simple machine. Starting off at the very top here, you do have a timer control, so you can select how much time you'd like to dry, as well as an automatic mode, so the machine will actually determine how wet or dry your clothes are and adjust the cycle time accordingly. You do have a temperature selector for those really thick heavy-duty fabrics or very delicate synthetic fabrics. Moving on towards the inside, you do have a very large capacity drum, so anything that will fit in the washer will fit inside the dryer. You have a massive baffle in the back, which allows a better distribution of heat throughout the entire drum. And one of my favorite features is you do have a lint filter right at the front here to allow you to clean the filter before you start every cycle. Again, my name is Joel Miramontes. Stop on into any one of our 28 Appliance Factory Mattress Kingdom locations, or come see me here in Thornton, Colorado at 321 West 84th Avenue. We'll see you very soon.